Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add clothes to dummy in Roblox Studio. So first you need to actually open Roblox Studio and click on new experience as see from here. After that, now the engine will start as see from here. All you need to do is to go to avatar and add a new rig builder as see from here. So now you need to click on block avatar as see from here. So now after generating the avatar, we need to click on this drop down menu on the side of the rig as see from here from the Explorer. So you can click on it and now you can actually customize everything about your dummy. So you can just change colors, change everything from here. But to actually add clothes to your rig or your dummy, I'll see from here. So now to add clothes to the dummy, we need to go to plugins from the bar I'll see from here on the top. After that, you need to click on manage plugins. Now you need to click on the plus icon. After that, this menu from here will appear. You need to choose plugins I'll see from here. You need to make sure that you have chosen plugins from here. And now from here, you need to just search for the word accessory. So after that, hit enter. And now you need to add this plugin, accessory inserter. And as see from here, now it will be installed, so you can now close this menu from here. From here, you need to click on the insert accessory, and now you need to enter your accessory ID. So how to actually do that? So using your browser, you need to actually open Roblox as see from here, and now you need to go to the marketplace. After you do so, now you will see a lot of accessories. You can choose the accessory that you actually like. So you can just search for pants. I'll see from here. So there will be a lot of pants to use. You can just choose the one that you like. After that, you will see the accessory ID from here. You can just copy it and go back to the studio and paste it from here. You can just apply it. So choose something, and I'll see from here you have actually applied your clothes. So that's actually how you add clothes to your dummy in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.